A man writes a will for his children, but he's still scared that to give them what they will inherit. And do you know the law is they automatically inherit? But he's still scared to give it to whom it's supposed to be given to after he dies. We live in such a scary time that parents are scared to give their own children what belongs to them. Oh, Brother Zad, you know that, eh? Your children, right? They automatically inherit what you have when you die. Because that's their rights. They are the warith. They are the inheritors. Oh yeah, that's the law. That's the Islamic law. A lot of us don't even know that law of inheritance. Who got the rights to inherit what when we die? How much the wife gets, the son gets, the daughters get. But we live in a time where people are scared of their own children to give them what belongs to them. Far less to give them what does not belong to them. Hafiz, you understand what I'm saying here? This is a whole different world, isn't it? You're scared to give somebody what belongs to that person by the law of Allah. Because remember, many times parents are just pampers. You know what's a pampers? You save, you don't pray, you don't go to Hajj, you don't give zakat, you don't give charity. You all saving like a pampers your millions to give to your children when you die. That's what you call a pampers. It saves things inside of it. I don't need to tell you what is saved inside of it. You're just saving to give to somebody else. And you don't spend it on your life hereafter, on your akhirah, on charity, on your hajj, on your umrah, on your fi sabilillah, because you're just saving this for them. The Prophet, peace be upon him, says that wealth does not belong to you. It belongs to them. You are just the caretaker. So for want of a better word than pampers, caretaker. If you didn't inherit it, if you didn't enjoy it, if you didn't go to Hajj with it, if you didn't spend it in charity so you can get a house in Jannah, if you didn't spend it in the path of Allah so you can get continuous sadaqah blessings, then you're just a caretaker for other people.